High class, we have the fifth lesson for swords. We are still practicing how to expand. There are two ways basically. One term multiplying a bracket, can see, and two bracket expansion. Okay, so here, this one we have outside is multiplying everything we have in the bracket. So this one multiplies this. That is where we start. Please, if you are seeing this for the first time and you are interested, you can see this is the fifth lesson. So I advise you follow the trend, especially if you are new to the topic swords. So that will help you to understand better. So when we try to multiply swords, the first thing is to multiply what we have outside. But the thing is, outside is 1, outside is 1. So you already know that 1 times 1 is 1. And 1 is a multiplicative inverse, meaning it will not change the value. 1 multiplying every value will not change the value. Okay, so we say root 3 times root 5. Are they the same? 3 and 5, the inner part, are they the same? No, they are not the same. So we need a root. So 3 times 5, 15. Root 3 times root 3. Root 3 times root 2. The inner part, are they the same? Yes, so you don't need a root, just write one value. The inner part, are they the same? No, they are not the same. You need a root. 3 times 2, 6. So this is the difference. Now we are done multiplying this and this. So now this and this one here. A sword and a non-sword, multiplying them is like you are saying 5 times y, which is just 5y. 2 times p, 2p. So 6 times root 3, 6 root 3. But plus times minus is minus. So root 3 times 6, 6 root 3. This is what we have. So here again, this multiplies 1, this multiplies this. So root 2 times 1 is just root 2. Plus by minus is minus. Now we want to multiply this and this. Let us start with what they have outside. Outside here is 1. Outside here is 5. So 1 times 5 is 5. Let's go to the inner. The inner part, are they the same? Meaning the irrational part? No, they are not the same. Root 2, root 2. So we acknowledge what we did here. So the fact that 2 and 3 are not the same, so we cannot say the answer is 2. We cannot say the answer is 3. These ones, when they are the same, we just take 1, 3. But 3 and 2, they are not the same. If we take 3, 2 will not agree with us. If we take 2, 3, if we take 3, 2 will not agree with us. If we take 2, 3 will not agree with us. The reason we multiply the two of them. So we settle the dispute. So here as well, root 2, root 3, they are different. So therefore we need a root. So 2 times 3 is 6. Yeah, this is what we have. So the same thing applies here. This will multiply this. But outside is 1, outside is minus 1. So 1 times minus 1, minus 1. Root 5, they are different. So we need a root. 5 times 2, 10. We can only write 1 if there is nothing attached to it. But once there is something, the writing of 1 is not necessary. Now we come to this. Plus times minus is minus. Root 5 times 4, 4 root 5. Remember one thing about mathematics, if you don't practice, you forget easily. Now we come to this again. So this one multiplies this bracket. So we say 4 multiplied by root 3 minus 5. Now this one again multiplies this bracket. That is minus root 2 multiplied by root 3 minus 5. As long as you can expand 2x plus 3, then x plus 5, you can do all of these things. Yeah. So 4 times root 3 is 4 root 3. Plus times minus minus. 4 times 5 is 20. Minus times plus is minus. Root 2 times root 3 is root 6. Yeah, minus times minus plus. Root 2 times 5, 5 root 2. We are dealing with the fifth lesson. So suppose you think dealing with surds or dealing with the roots is challenging for you, I advise you visit lesson 1 to 4. Then coming to this level, you would have understood so much. All right. Do we have like terms here to collect? It's obvious that there are no like terms because here root 3, root 6, not the same. Root 2, root 6, not the same. Root 2, root 3, not the same. So this is all we have. That is it. So we come to this one again. This one multiplies this bracket. So we say 2 root 5 multiply root 3 plus 2. Now, this again has to multiply the same bracket. Plus 5 root 3 plus 2. What we done is called distributive property. This and this, they are in the same family. And this is what they stand to benefit. So if you say you multiply this by this and leave this one will be angry. Yeah, this one will not be angry. Yeah. So unless you have to say, well, you have right over this, then you also have right over this because this and this, they are in the same family. So we need to understand all this. So this times this, outside is 2, outside is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Root 5 times root 3, they are not the same. So we need the roots. 5 times 3, 15. Plus by plus is plus. Root 2 root 5 times 2. This is not a sword. 2 is not a sword. So 2 times 2 is 4. There is no sword here, but here there is. So we write the only one that's available, which is root 5. So 2 root 5 times 2 is 4 root 5. So we have this one. 5 times root 3, 5 root 3. 5 times 2 is 10. Do we have any two swords that we can add? Root 5, root 50, root 5, they are not the same, so we cannot add them. Root 50, root 3, they are not the same, we cannot add them. Root 3, root 5, they are not the same, we cannot add them. This and this, they cannot add them. And you cannot add a non-sword to sword. So this is what we have. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe, and comment as well. See you in my next video.